Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Got another prepper haul or pantry haul. Covers more than just the pantry, so a prepper pantry haul. Alright, so I went to, had to go make a deposit in the bank, and so I hit Walmart and Sam's Club on the way back. At Sam's Club, Walmart food-wise, I picked up in the bag here a couple more things of spinach. They're like $1.12, I think. You know, so I haven't seen them around like this at Walmart in a long time, and the fact they had them and they were that cheap, I just grabbed two, but got those. All right, so something else I got here. We hate hard water stains and stuff in the toilet, so I got a couple boxes of these. And then, oh, the receipt. Maybe that'll tell me for sure what the lettuce was here. I mean lettuce, spinach. Spinach was, yeah, $1.12 per thing. I picked up a couple movies to entertain myself with. One was a Bruce Willis one called The Wrong Place. And this was in the they no longer have a $5 bin. They got a $7.50. So this is $7.50. And I picked up one I wanted to go see in the theater. I couldn't because it was snowing so bad. I couldn't get out there to it. Violent Night. Real, it has some comedy in it, but it's one of those action adventures, sort of like Die Hard, where Santa Claus comes across a bunch of kidnappers and type dudes and stuff. So. That was that. Oh, I also got at there. I got 6 gallons of distilled water for my humidifier. So that was the Walmart run. Then, oh no, sorry, keep forgetting more stuff. Walmart. I got a couple more of these. All right. Yeah, Sam's Club had a little bit less stuff in it. The first thing I picked up at Sam's Club was 4 bags of the water softener salt. The big difference between, well, there's two big differences between Sam's Club and everywhere else around here. Sam's Club is 44 pounds. That's right, yeah, so 44 pounds per bag at less than $6. It was like $5.85 or something like that. Everywhere else has only 40 pound bags, and they're like $7.99, $9. So yeah, it's a lot cheaper. And so if you saw my one video, I'm not sure it was on this channel or did it over on Camp Patton Family Compound, where the snow was getting packed in the ice out in the street. So I used as a hack, I took a half bag of that out there and spread it on there, and then took the rest of it up my daughter's driveway. And what's great is about that, it's a lot cheaper than the $9.47 bags of ice melt at Costco, which is the cheapest around here. But it sits out there, it melts down to the asphalt fairly quickly. Then as cars drive over, it breaks up, and they start tracking it, and it just cleared the whole area up real good. All right, one of the things I got 2 more of the bins here for finish putting that final bag of potting mix into these. I got 2 of them that are almost empty. So with this one, they'll take care of that other bag, and they'll clean up the living room there a little bit more. Next thing I got, another gallon of milk. Best use by date, March 20th. So I usually go through a gallon in about a week to 10 days. So, today's the 2nd, so that's going to last me, this is good 8 days past when it will be empty. The other thing I got, more cheese sticks for the grandkids. Yes, I'm watching them all week, and they've been they've been coming home from school. Grandpa's here. Can I have a cheese stick? Because they know I'll bring cheese sticks over for them. It's a lot healthier than some of the stuff that they have over there. And let's see, I think that covers everything I got and did. So that was my haul for today. My quick haul out there to get some stuff because it's supposed to be snowing tonight on through the next 5 or 6 days. So I want to make sure I don't have to try to go out and this stuff. Alrighty, so as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish, and keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. Keep adding more skills. If you don't know how to do something, step out of your comfort zone, learn how to do it. If things really go to in a handbasket and the country falls apart, if you have skills, you can barter with others to for those skills. All right, now before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here to a video I'm pretty sure you'll be interested in. I'm going to put a playlist down here for other prepping concerns. Put another video over here, and I'll put a link to my gardening and homesteading channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, up here. Take care.